Lower Z. Stop sucking. Raise Z.
That's not greater than 4.8.
It was there in the code. Stop sucking. It's right here. That 5 equals all. T out 5. Why didn't it? And it works.
That's an after lunch kind of thing.
You're working 1 and 2 again, and we'll run 1, 2 lunch.
1, 2 lunch? Okay. I can get that. Okay, well, right now we need to get that back.
No, it pokes this and it poke actually makes a difference. You actually sat it down to take the groove. Your spit, yeah, your spit. See, it's in the groove. You're using the block one, right? Did it work already?
Yeah.
It did work.
It did? Okay.
Oh, this one. Hide it.